Welcome back to Classy Bonsai. It is Yamadori time again. I'm out here on some private property and it's a beautiful day in February. It's 70 degrees, it's wild. I'm out here looking for trees though. Hopefully we can find some cool stuff. There's some shortleaf pine growing here, there's hop hornbeam, there's tons of eastern red cedar. Let's see what we can find. Here's a nice little shortleaf. It could probably be a literati tree. It seems to be just growing in the duff. I think it seems very collectible. I don't know. It's one to think about. Spotted something over here that looks really nice. It's going under that rock. I wonder how it's attached. Let's get in there and have a look. There's a lot of smaller shortleaf pine like this growing right out of these rocks. A lot of it's impossible to collect, but hoping to find something that's not. I know I'm in the shadow of this thing, but this is a cool one. It's a perfect literati. Oh, it's moving. Huh. That's a beauty. I have to get this one. Got another little grove of short leaves here. Let's check them out. Another cool one, but it's going right into the rocks. There's a little double trunk. That's a fatty. It's got some craggly old bark on it. This one's been abused by a deer. Could probably get collected. I bet it can. Sorry about the terrible camera angle. I forgot my tripod. I'm trying to see if I can get this tree out of here. Hang around a little bit to see what we got. Got one. Stash it. Come back for it. Look at this awesome tree. Not sure what it is. It's got a good view though. We got something here. Let's go have a closer look at it. Well, I really like that one. There's a lot of literati style trees here. This one is kind of short, broken off at the top. Feels sturdy. Look at that beast. It'd be a cool one to collect. So everywhere I look, there's these smaller shortleaf pines and bigger shortleaf pines. Some of these are pretty promising. This little guy's got some character. There's some pretty gnarly bark down here on the bottom. Got some nice curves. Pretty cool little light tree. Using a lot. I'll be able to collect it. This one's growing right out of the side of the rocks. That's pretty cool. I don't know where you can see that, but right in here, this tree was broken off there, I'm sure by a flood. It's that big around there, and that big around there. It's tiny. So, you know, it's that tall. And then this grew up out of the broken off stump. These are everywhere here. Pretty cool. But that's what all these little pines are. Here's a tree with some potential. It's real whippy, real bendy, but it could grow into a nice literati tree. It's got a low branch, but it's got this cool hump right there. Yeah, it seems to be collectible. One might come with me. I'm in the backyard of the cabin we're staying at, and there's all these short leaves. So I'm gonna go have a look at some of them. See what we got. Look at this one. It's nice and big. It's about 5.5 feet tall. Pretty cool. Ready-made literati. This little literati tree here, pretty collectible. I just cut a circle around it with the bird assassin. And we'll pop it out. Once again, I forgot my tripod. but it's hard to collect these things in this rocky soil. But if I can save it, it's a nice little literati. Well, I'd say today was a pretty successful day of collecting literati pines. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, well 7 if you count the little bonus tree in here. Yeah. This one looks pretty cool. This one's wild. This is a cool little tree, but you can't tell because I got it wrapped up so tight. But some nice literatis. This one's got some good age to it. This one's much taller. I have to get them in some soil and keep these suckers alive. 6 of them. Alright, well, that's day 1 of the Yamadori trip down here with my son. First time I ever brought him with me. Keep in mind the places I'm collecting today are private property. If you're going to collect, make sure you have permission. Make sure you have a permit. All those good things. I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of hate in the comments. I always do on these videos. But you know, keep it coming. That just means you're watching. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.